Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this hair clip and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to get hair clip, you're going to wear this earring, and then you can use the accessory adjustment to make it like hair clip. Okay, it will be like this, and I'm going to show you the accessory adjustment for this item so you will be able to create hair clip. Okay, this is for the adjustment. You can position it like this. You can change the Y and Z position, and for the rotation you can make it like this. Okay, and for the scale, just leave it like that. Okay, again, one more time for the position and the rotation, and the final result is like this. And you can change the color if you want. You can color it according to your outfit. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get hair clip and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.